Good morning and welcome to the August 26th, 2020 Guilderland Central School Board meeting. If you all could silence your cell phones and do the pledge. The Pledge of Allegiance
To the flag
of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And we just have one item on the agenda under superintendent action. Dr. Wiles.
Yes, this morning we have one item. It is a memorandum of agreement between the Guilderland Central School District, the Guilderland Teachers Association, and Mark Banovic.
We need a motion to approve the MOA.
I would like to move that we approve the memorandum of agreement with one change to amend number 4 to increase the coverage from 6 months to 1 year.
Second.
Rick and Barbara. Do people have other questions or comments? Okay, all in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Aye. It passes 9-0. I think we're all set, right? No other agenda items for anybody?
That's correct.
So a motion to adjourn.
So moved.
Ben and second Judy. And thank you, everybody.
Thank
Stay
you,
safe.
everyone.
Thank you, everyone, very much.
Stay safe. Thanks, Regan.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Regan. Great job.